Welcome once again to our tutorial on JAMB live classes. Now we want to solve this question, right? So let me start this timer. So that we can see if we can solve this question within our 60-second mark or more. Now, a committee of 6 is to be formed by a governor from 9 state commissioners, right? And 3 members of the House of Assembly. Now, in how many ways can the members of the committee be chosen so as to include 1 member of the House? Okay, so if that's the case, I have 9 commissioners, right? This is also a combinations question, just like the previous one. So 9 commissioners, I have 9 commissioners, right? And then commissioners to be chosen from this 9 is going to be 6, but I want 1 to be from the House of Assembly, so my R is going to be 5. The one I will spare it for the House of Assembly. So I have 9 combination 5. This is just 9 factorial upon 9 minus 5 factorial. Then we have 5 factorial. This is going to be giving me 9 multiplied by 8 and so forth. Here we have 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. Then also the 5 factorial, right? The 5 factorial is going to take out this 5 factorial over here, right? So we are going to be left with 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6, then upon 4 factorial, right? This is 6 is going to go out, this 4 here is going to go out, this is 2, right? So if I multiply this multiplied by this is going to be 63, then multiplied by 2 is going to be 126, right? Then I'm going to do same for the House of Assembly, which is just 3 combination 1. This is going to be 3, right? Now if I multiply them together, I'm going to have 378, and this is the number of ways. You can see that this took a little longer than expected. This took a little longer than expected because of this factorial. But if you have your calculator, I'm doing it live, but if you have your calculator, just 9 combination 3, you're going to get 126. 3 combination 1, you're going to get 3. If you multiply it, then it's 378. This will not take less than, it will take less than a minute actually. So see you in the next video, and this is how to go about this. Please check the description to see longer videos. Thanks for your time.